defense aspirants. I am Swati Sheth, a 2 times recommended candidate for the NCC Special Entry and the JAG Entry from Team Alpha Lead. Have you been dreaming to join the Indian Armed Forces since your childhood? Are you in your 11th or 12th standard and want to join the Indian Armed Forces and don't know how? Say no more. Today I will be telling you about the NDA, that is the National Defense Academy entry, to all the students who are aged between 16 to 19. In this video, we will give a complete guide to the National Defense Academy examination. And now this examination is for both boys and girls aged between 16 and a half to 19 and a half. This exam will be conducted twice a year in the month of April and September. And this is conducted by the UPSC. And at the same time, though the exam is conducted in April and September, the notifications for the same will be released 3 or 4 months prior. So please keep a track of the release of the notification to apply. The notification will be open for one entire month, but still it is important to know when it is releasing. The educational qualification for this entry is class 12th, that is your 10 plus 2. And through this entry, you will be eligible to join the Army, Air Force and the Navy. Pattern of this exam. In this, you will have to write 2 papers. The paper 1 will be mathematics for 300 marks and paper 2 will be GAT, that is for your English and GK, and it will be a 600 marks paper. Now the total duration for this is 5 hours and it will be objective type question with negative marking. More details is provided on the screen. Now coming to the syllabus of this exam. Now this exam has math, English and general knowledge. Under mathematics you have algebra, trigonometry, calculus, coordinate geometry and statistics and probability. And under English you have basic things such as spotting error, antonyms and synonyms, idioms, comprehension and other stuff. And under general knowledge, now this becomes a very vast area where you will have to be thorough with the physics, chemistry, biology and your history, political science and geography, current affairs which include the defense, awards, sports and other news. Now the entire syllabus will be your class 10 to 12th level, and the best suggestion which I can give you is to prepare from NCERT textbooks starting from your 8th grade. Another important thing, dear aspirants, when you apply for the NDA special entry, there is a column where you have to choose the preference, that is Army, Navy and the Air Force. Now in this, many people get confused here. Now there are different cutoffs for all the 3 forces. If you choose Air Force, Navy and Army as your preference, you have to clear the cutoff of Air Force. And by any chance, if you don't clear the cutoff of Air Force but you clear the cutoff of Army, you will get your SSB dates to give the Army SSB, and if you clear that, you can join the Indian Army. If you give Army as your first preference and Navy and Air Force as subsequent preferences, but you end up clearing the cutoff for Air Force, you will not be able to give the SSB for Air Force. Because your first preference was Army, again you will have to give the SSB for the Indian Army. At Alpha Lead Academy, along with the SSB training, we are also giving coaching for written exams such as NDA, AFCAT and CDS. Along with this, we also have 11th and 12th standard full course for which you can enroll anytime. You can WhatsApp us, you can call us or mail us to the given details. And later when you clear the exam, you can join us for your SSB training. All the best. Jai Hind.